Hello guys, let's jump right into it. I'm going to share my screen with you. So just go on your Google and then you start typing Atsubi, and it's going to bring you here. So this is the website, the one with the green thingy here. You click on it and it's going to take you on Stellenangebote. This is where you write what you are looking for. And I'm just going to type here Pflege, for instance. This is like care, and it's one of the most in demand Ausbildung here, or training. And I'm gonna write in which city. Let me say, for example, Göttingen. This is a small city which also like really needs a lot of these people, because everybody usually runs to the bigger cities and you don't always find what you are looking for. So you can see there's about 6,068, something like that. Let's put it in translate so that we can have it in English. Go on the three dots, then you go down to page translate. If you go down, you see here there are three offers, whereas this one now is the FSY, which is what I'm talking about today. FSY is like a social year, a voluntary year, which you just come and work for a specific company. The duration is 1 year. Your minimum can be 6 months and maximum is 18 months. And it is possible to start anytime, like it says here. So when you scroll down, it's just going to show you what it is and what they do, like participation in leisure activities, support with administration tasks, and so on. And your profile, they tell you what you're supposed to have or who you should be. You like working in a team, and you are between 16 and 26 years, so you need to be around that age actually. Your benefit is you do get pocket money, you get support from qualified colleagues, and so on. Moving on, you just explain everything that you need. And if you see here, this is their website, and you can press on apply now, and it's going to take you directly to apply. So I just clicked on apply. Let's see what this brings. It actually wants me to go to my email, but because I'm not applying, I'm not going to go there. So if you scroll down here, these are your advantages, which is you go for events, you get an apartment to stay, your things are actually taken care of, and in most cases they can also pay for your flight. So just follow these steps and see what they are offering. If you got any value from this video, then please make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and share it to your friends and family members. For any questions, or if you need help or assistance in any of this, then just comment down below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.